Hi everyone, I wanted to give an introduction to our Canvas course website for this semester. I know this will be familiar to a lot of you, but even if you need a refresher or if you're new to Canvas in general, hopefully this gives you a little bit of an idea of how you're going to interact with our course online for this semester. So this is our welcome page, and we are in student view, so this should be generally what it looks like to you if you're viewing the course along with this video. So on our welcome page, if it's the beginning of the semester, the first thing you'll want to do is check out our welcome module and syllabus that are linked here. Check these out before the first class for some useful information, and you'll be prepared for our introduction to the class on our first meeting. We're generally going to have a module structure on the course website. That is, we will present information in chunks in that way. So I'll use the welcome module here as an example. If we click on this link, it takes us to the first page of this module, and you can click through the pages here using the buttons at the bottom. The other option, if it's more comfortable for you, is you can actually go to the modules tab here on the left, and you can see all the pages for a given module and click on each one depending on what you want to go see. Right now, the only thing that's available to you as a student is the introduction module. As we populate this with the modules for our actual work during the semester, those will be up here as well. For any given module, there will be pages that have reading guides for the different chapters that you'll be reading during the semester. Even actual assignments will be embedded in those modules, so you can use that as kind of your roadmap for the course if you like this kind of interaction. Of course, there's also a more traditional way. If you just want to worry about assignments and when they're due, you can use the assignments tab, and links to those assignments and what you'll need to turn in will be there. There's also links to this at the bottom of the syllabus page. So pretty much there's lots of options for how you want to interact in terms of turning in assignments and getting information for the course. Files will also be posted here. So right now, the most important thing is that if you go to the readings folder under files, the first few chapters of the textbook are actually posted here in PDF form, so you don't have to worry if your book hasn't come in, if the shipping's taking a little while. The first 3 chapters are there for you to use, so check those out. There will also be other files, activities, and assignments. Word documents and PDFs will be posted here as well, so check back for more information here as the semester goes along. Syllabus tab, also linked on the home page, but you can see general information about the course here. Again, please do check this out before our first meeting. You can see important details about what we're going to be doing this semester, what our course goals are, how we're going to try and achieve those, etc. I also want to point out the chat function here. This is useful in a lot of cases. It's at one place that you can interact with your fellow students or me online. If you have questions about things, you can post them in here. Do keep in mind that it is open to everyone, and so everyone will see what you post, and so make sure you check out our community guidelines for how you should interact online as well. We want to be respectful of everyone in the course, so please use the chat in a responsible fashion. The last thing I'll point out for now is the links to important resources back here on the home page. So again, our syllabus, team scores will be important as we go through the semester. If you check out the syllabus, you'll notice that we will be split up into teams for the semester, and you'll be competing for extra points added to your final grade. So hopefully that is a motivating factor as we go through the semester. This page will be updated with the most recent scores for your team during the semester. Schedule at a glance is going to be another useful tab for you. So here This will be updated as we need to change things if we do, in terms of when due dates are and things like that. Also gives you a nice idea of what's coming up in the semester. Right now I'm still populating the assignments as I create them, but here you'll be able to see when things are due right now for the entire semester. So if you're somebody that likes to plan when you're going to work on things throughout the semester, that information is there for you now. I've also created a general question and answer discussion board where I hope that you will post questions about class format, material in the class here, the goal being that your fellow students and I can answer those questions for you. I want this to be a tool, especially as you prepare for exams and things like that, where you can get help from your fellow students. You will learn, hopefully, a lot from each other in addition to me. So use this as much or as little as you see fit, but it is a resource there for you. Finally, this is something we're going to do a little bit of this semester. It is an app and website called Socrative that we will use to do kind of interactive questions in class, especially when we're preparing for exams. So if you have a smartphone, you should download the Socrative student app, but you can also access this on the website as well. So if you have a laptop in class, you can log into the website and we can do real-time questions this way. If you don't have access to a smartphone, tablet, or laptop that you'll be able to use in class, just let me know and we'll work something out. So don't stress if that's going to be an issue for you. But it's a fun tool, and hopefully we can make use of that during the semester. All right, I think that's it. Those are the key ideas for you to know about now. So hopefully this is a useful tool as you go through the semester. But if you have any questions, just let me know. Send me an email, leave a message in the chat, post a question on the Q&A board. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you all in class next Monday.